What's up, beautiful people? It's your boy JD to bring out a video. Today, I got some tacos. Ooh, look at that. Hold on, you said what? Not my throat. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm on FaceTime. But yeah, look at these. Look at these. Ooh. I got some salsa too. Mmm. Some chicken tacos. Do not look it up. Don't look it up. Don't look it up. Don't look it up. Okay, they ain't paying no attention to me. Okay, so anyway, how y'all doing? Ooh, ooh, it's hot. Hey, these tacos are very strong. Look at that. Ooh, chicken tacos. It's this ooh, that's hot. But it's just it's called Chavaz Grill in San Jose. Look at me remembering where I got the tacos from. But yeah. Ooh, these look so good. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. I don't know why, but my stomach hurt. I think it's from the In-N-Out burger. Mmm. Water. Need to hydrate more. Mm-mm. This is really good. Mm. So what y'all doing today? I'm like the fourth wheel on this FaceTime call. I got my headphone in so y'all can't hear it. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat the two tortilla shells because I feel like that's too much. I'm just gonna eat it with one. Oh snap. Oh. Mm. Mm. So good. Oh no. I'm not even talking. I'm sorry. You need to put them cherries up, boy. Mm. Ooh, ooh. See, the light is different. Ooh. Ooh, I'm getting full. Ooh. Wow. That's crazy. Just FYI, y'all on my YouTube video. I mean, y'all so tired. Not with that voice. Well, see, I got my headphones in, and they probably. You said what? Oh Lord. Yeah. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. Ooh. I should never got 5 tacos. Should have got like 3 of them. Cause yeah, I'm full. Like, mm. It's look, it does enough for me. Like, I don't know why. I think it's maybe it's the grease of the tacos. Just like making my stomach hurt. Or it could be from that. Or it could have been that In-N-Out burger that I had earlier today. Some of the In-N-Out burger. See, this is why I don't eat red meat, because it hurts my stomach. Mm-hmm. You got a little wrong. I hope y'all enjoying me. Not, I'm not talking to myself, but yeah. Look, I'm entertaining, right? Oh well, thank you, thank you. You know, I don't want to be a slob just eating it. You know. Now, if I wasn't recording, then maybe I probably would have. Somewhat. What's that? What does? What it do? The Darius, shut up, man. Man, what? Ooh, y'all, look at that. Mm. Oh shit. I gotta share the food with my peeps. See if they want some. I guess not that one. Hey, look, I just thought about it. When I post this video, it's gonna seem like I'm so silent. because they can't hear y'all. Well, oh well. Mm. You might. And if you do, get that number. Oh, you in love. Oh, look at y'all. Y'all cute or whatever. Shut up. No, I don't. All I got was got my Switch. Oh snap! Okay, y'all. Back to y'all. I'm sorry. Hope y'all enjoyed me talking. Ooh. Last taco. I'm full from that protein shake. That's why. I had a protein shake prior to me eating these chicken tacos. That's why. Mm. Mm. Ooh. Look, they have bust me out. They talking about, Jawan, you busted down that food. I am. Oh snap, last bite. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I just realized I didn't take a picture of my taco. I was supposed to. Well, fuck me. I just cussed. I got edited out. All right, that was good. Mm. That was 5 chicken tacos. Now I'm about to go to sleep. I'm talking to my friends first, then I'll go to sleep. All right, you guys, I appreciate y'all so much. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and do your thing with the YouTube thing. And always, peace.